So annoying. Scroll downwards and not up, please, sir. Mr. Sir. Okay, I spent literally 10 minutes trying to fix this hair, but it's just not happening, okay? So we're just gonna leave it at that and start this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing 3 outfits that I wore this week. Each look is a little different, from modern and chic to cozy and preppy. First, we're going to have the modern and chic look, and then we're going to move on to the cozy and then the preppy. So yeah, whichever one is your favorite, pop it down in the comments. I'd love to see them. So let's get into the video. So for the first look, I went for something modern and chic and polished. This is my mom's favorite look for me because she just likes it whenever I look presentable and chic. In my fall wish list video, I actually incorporated these jeans. Like I said in that video, we can wear it with small tees, cardigans, jumpers, shirts, anything. Like anything can go really beautifully with this. Even a corset. A corset will look so good with this. But this is what I chose. I wore wide leg jeans with a red top. The red top is actually not a top, y'all. It's a dress, okay? It's a dress. I'll pop a picture of what it actually looks like as a dress. I got it from PLT like 6-7 years ago, and I decided to crop it into my sports bra that I was wearing underneath, and it turned into a nice cute little crop top. I love the turtleneck vibe, and then I decided to throw a blazer on as well. That day was a little bit chilly, but it wasn't giving like, oh, I need a heavy coat, so I decided to pop a blazer on. Again, giving me lots of room to breathe, and I love the way the sleeves are cinched up and rolled up nicely. It's not too like, you know, that rugged, like, oh, you've just pulled up your sleeve type of look. It's just, it looks structured, and I like the structuredness of this blazer. I love it. Also, I decided to pop a red jacket over it. I actually didn't bring the jacket with me, but it just looked so cute when I put it on. So I was like, wow, okay. I had this wool ease, and look at that. And I didn't bring it with me to the UK at all. It was just sitting in my wardrobe collecting dust, but look how cute it is, okay? So then I decided to pair it with my ballet flat. I love this look so much. Paired it with my black bag, and then, you know, got the sunnies out. Oh, guys, where I am, if you wear sunnies outside of an event, the stares that you're gonna be getting in this area, okay? I wore this exact same fit, but with black jeans. It was flared as well, and then I wore a brown top. I'll give you the picture right here. I also have a couple videos, and I was actually walking with my sister, and usually when I walk, like, I tune everybody out. My sister literally said, somebody said that your outfit looks good, and I was like, oh, thank you. I just love it because it's like so simple, but it's put together. Do you know what I'm saying? You probably have flare jeans, or even like straight leg jeans will look so good with it. It will even highlight the ballet flats even more, and it will look so good. So you can literally recreate this outfit with the stuff you have in your wardrobe, I promise you. And if you don't, then you need to invest in some basics, and I'm going to actually be doing a video on basics that I collected during my time on this earth and how they've stuck to me till this day. And right now, no matter what trend comes on, like, I look good in every season, and that's on tea. But yeah, this is the outfit. It looks so good, and let's move on to the next. So for the second look, I opted for a more cozier vibe. I wore a cream dress that I found in my closet. Like, I don't know where this hidden gem was, but I loved it so much and I decided to wear it. It has shoulder cutouts, and that added a little bit of to the dress because the dress is actually kind of flat. I thought I could get like a belt moment going, but I couldn't find a black belt, so I decided to leave it as is. The dress was literally so cute, and I decided to pair it with knee-high socks and my Wellington boots. Are my fingers ashy? We are not an ashy vibe. We're having a quick intervention, okay? I have to moisturize my hands because they're looking a little bit ashy. And y'all weren't gonna tell me just want to reiterate how comfortable this dress is, and I feel like the boots added a good contrast to the whole cute cozy vibe. I loved this outfit for a chill day out, and even when I returned home I didn't have to change. I just took off my boots and I sat on our couch watching One Piece with my hot tea. Guys, don't play with me in those cute outfits. Onto the last and final outfit. So for the final look, I went for a more fun and preppy vibe. So I grabbed this navy pleated skirt, I opted for the tights, and then, you know, the knee-high socks, and then my Wellington boots again. This look was so perfect for shopping. Like, it just screamed like you're not doing too much, but you're not, like, you know, not doing nothing at all. So those were the 3 outfits I wore this week. I had so much fun putting these outfits together. I am so glad to be home because I get to experiment with the clothes that I already have, and, you know, implementing it with the new pieces that I have collected during the years. And I hope that you got some inspiration for your outfits in the upcoming season. Let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank the Lord Jesus this was turned off because I would burnt my forehead. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, this hair is literally doing my head in. It just looks a hot mess. Hi guys, welcome. Y'all don't know. Oh my gosh, this is literally irritating. This is literally irritating me. Should I cut it? Video of me wearing that slide is literally so small. Let me take a picture of it and like add it here.